Hello guys. So
Hello,
naghahanap po
guys.
ba kayo ng headset? Noise cancelling
That one
or
is a
headset?
headset.
Yeah, headset.
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 So, unboxing our headset, new headset, noise cancelling headset. So if in case nagwo-work kayo tapos maingay yung background nyo, so you can use this one. 'Di ba? Stop
Yes.
it. Ayan. Okay, so, ito po yung, niya, headset. I hope maganda siya, no? And, based on my assessment sa physical appearance niya, it's very perfect and nice. And cute din siya. And look at, you can adjust it here. Yan. So, we can adjust it here. So, yeah. Ayan. And yung voice niya, ayun. Very perfect. I love it. It's very nice. So, hello. Ayan. Ito din yung saksakan niya. It's a point na plug, no? So, iba siya sa previous na na headset. So, maganda siya. And very confident siya dito sa sa ears because meron siyang foam na super kapal. Ayan. So, see, may yellow basket po sa price and sa quality. Perfect po. So, legit seller po talaga yung nire-recommend namin sa inyo. Okay? You want to try it? Sige. Okay. But I think it's, we will adjust it to your voice. Dito ka.
Hello.
Hello. So, very nice and
Use this
comfy.
one though.
What?
I'm going to show that on for them.
Iba din yan. Sige, show that one. Iba din yan na headset. So, this one. For only, think nasa 200 plus lang siya.
Hello?
200 ba? 500?
200.
So, check my yellow basket na lang po. Okay. Iba din yan, girl. Iba yan for, for gimmick-gimmick. And ito, it's for work. Hello, everyone.
Hello,
Bye.
everyone. Bye. Look at something is here.